Hello,
Hi.
I'm Rachel.
And I'm Rachel.
We're Rachel Squared. Okay, today we are making air fresheners.
From Pinterest.
Yes, we got it off of Pinterest. We have everything here. Wait a minute. We have everything here, plus more that we don't actually need. Okay. I just wanted it. Alright, so what we do need, what we do need, mason jars. Move this shit. Mason jars. Gelatin. 2 packs. What is this? Food coloring. To make it colorful. I got more mason jars in there. A bowl.
A spoon.
Really? Is that what that is? Measuring materials. And then what we got for oils, like to make it smell nice. I got some orange rines. Vanilla. Cinnamon. And coconut. Yes. Alright, directions. In the mixing bowl, combine half a cup of hot water and the 2 packets of gelatin. I didn't grab any water. Did you grab water? Clearly not. It says hot water, you bitch.
We didn't prepare so well for this.
I need the cup, the measuring cups.
What do you need?
Half a cup.
You need a
I
half.
think. Is that what it says?
Yes. I'll bring a half cup over.
How many jars will we make? Are we making 3, 4? I got the water. In mixing bowl, combine. And the 2 packets of gelatin powder. I don't think we needed all that, but you know what? I put too much water in it.
They're so tiny.
I put a whole cup in.
Oh, so you want the whole box?
Yeah, we're using the whole box.
Okay. So 4. 4 packets we're putting in.
Because we're making a lot.
All of these?
All these.
Okay.
Ooh, that smells not nice. Ooh. I don't know what that smells like. It smells like shit. Something that came out of a factory. Well, I mean it did, but 2 packs. Okay. Stir right away. Oh. Add food coloring until desired shade. What color are we doing?
Blue.
Blue? Okay, we're doing blue. Till powder is dissolved.
Here's our blue guy.
Okay, drop some colors in.
1.
Wait, let's see.
2.
We got 2 so far.
We got 2 drops in so far.
It's not dissolving. Dissolve! More blue!
I'm putting number 3 drop.
More blue!
4.
5. You put 2 in. Pour 1/2 cup of very cold water in the bowl. You want to go get the cold water and put it in a little... It smells so bad. What is this, shit flavor? The original. Mix the cold and hot water together until completely combined. Alright, you want to pour me some cold water? We blend in. Okay, alright. Well, each of them is going to be a different fragrance. We got, what are we going to do? We won't do the cinnamon in one.
If you were here right now, it'd be better. It'll smell better once you put our stuff in. Just don't sniff.
Sorry, I can't help it.
Oh my god.
I gotta smell it. So we got 4 fragrances. We're not gonna do coconut. Alright, ready? We gotta pour. Get out of here, you shit scent. Well, you should grab a spoon so you can just stir in the fragrances. Alright. Uno, number 1. This does not make a lot. We making. Alrighty. Oh, I'm gonna. Well, here. Where'd the vanilla go? Oh, you can put the vanilla in one.
How much vanilla do I put in?
Let me see. It needs 1 to 2 teaspoons. Wait, you doing vanilla? I doing oranges. Get rid of the shit smell. It's smelling better already. So to say, don't eat it, Rachel. But
it still smells bad.
It's Jello, so.
It still smells bad.
It smells like vanilla.
It doesn't really smell like vanilla.
Well, then add more vanilla. Oranges are done. Look at that. It's going to smell like an orange because it's got oranges in it. All right. And the cinnamon one, I'm just going to
eat. Just randomly.
I'm just going to shake. I'm sorry.
Oh.
It's like...
Kind of smells like vanilla, but not that one.
It smells a lot better than it did.
Okay. Did you have a small sense?
So I chose this DIY. Rachel gets to choose the next one. I don't know what she's going to make me do.
I haven't decided yet. No.
All our ideas come from Pinterest, so
yes.
I will put the link to it
down below in our description.
In the description box. And all the materials that we used. I hate cinnamon!
All our materials came from the superstore or the dollar store. So we like to be cheap.
We cheat! We college students, we cheat!
Yep. So.
Hello? Spooky, man.
See, I told you, that thing's spooking the shit out of me.
Ah, yes, cinnamon. This is great.
Now what?
Okay, now it says place the frog lid on top of the jar. Remove the flat canning lid that comes with the jar.
And what do we put on top of it?
Just the lid. We just
just this?
Just the remove the inside part.
Okay.
Alright. Let the jar sit in a cool place until it sets. About an hour or 2. Place the jars around your home to make any room smell great. Well, we're just gonna pop it in the fridge.
These go in the fridge for an hour.
They go in the fridge. To the fridge. Alright. So that, here's your phone. That was fun.
We'll be back in like an hour or 2 to show you the results.
See if they actually work.
Yep.
Okay. Well, it's been over an hour, almost 2 hours. This one doesn't smell too bad. This is the orange one. They're pretty.
Oh, whoa! This
pretty...
one's strong. This is the vanilla one.
It's pretty.
Smell this one.
Oh, baby!
Whoa.
They actually don't smell that bad.
Ooh, this one smells good.
I like the vanilla one.
I like this one.
This is the cinnamon one? Yes.
I love the smell of cinnamon, so that's why.
So these actually didn't turn out that bad.
No, but...
I was surprised.
How is it gonna do in like a
Pinterest.
room?
I want to say you just put it out.
Yeah, but I don't know if it's gonna...
I don't know. It's supposed to be an air freshener.
Is it like dissolve or...
I don't know, but like I wanted to at first say that they like just pop out and you just put them on a plate and say, hey, I got an air freshener. So maybe these aren't as functional as we thought.
Yeah, probably. But they smell really good.
They do smell amazing. I can't stop smelling that one. This is the number one. I just can't stop smelling them. They're just so.
Would you do this next time? Another time?
I might. You know, if these actually like work for like air fresheners, I wouldn't mind like giving them away for like Christmas and stuff. You know.
That actually is a cool idea.
Like cheap homemade Christmas gifts.
Yeah.
It's the thought that counts.
Yep. And some people like us don't have the money to, you know, spend gifts. So we like doing.
I'm a broke ass bitch.
Yep.
I really like the. I love the orange one. I love.
This one's my favorite. Is the cinnamon one.
I like these two. So you can have that one, and I'll take these two.
Wow. I get one, and she gets two.
Well, to be fair, I bought everything.
Yeah. And this was your idea.
No, like we'll put them around the house somewhere. Bathroom. I got it on my clothes. Bathroom, maybe the bedroom, but like these. Actually, it's like really jello. Like,
yeah. It feels so weird.
well, I mean, it's gelatin, so I guess
feel like it's just gonna dissolve. Like it's gonna.
I hope.
It's like.
Well, dude, like maybe we should like put the lids, the caps on. It's a good thing we did throw them out. But put the caps on just to make sure that. Oh my god!
I feel like we're gonna like leave this in like a living room, and then we're gonna like, come back from class, and it's gonna smell like so good.
That's what I'm hoping.
Yeah.
Or like close the door in one of the rooms, one of our rooms.
Yeah, you should do that in the bathroom overnight.
Yeah.
Like close it overnight. Like pick one you like and then throw it in there and then wake up in the morning and see if it did anything.
Yeah. But like, where would we keep these? Room temperature, maybe, just so they don't melt.
That's what I was thinking.
Keep them in my closet. But no, yeah, this was fun.
Yeah,
This was a lot of fun.
and not that expensive.
No, it wasn't that expensive.
Yeah.
Got most of the stuff at
The
the
dollar.
dollar store, and
If you're looking for a cheap, not that long of a craft, this will work.
this will definitely work. Or like people like air fresheners, or you know, a friend that's got a really smelly room or house, you know.
Or just
Christmas.
or someone that just likes smelling nice things.
I think this would be.
It just looks interesting to look at too.
No. The vanilla one, well, they started off all blue, but the vanilla one just kind of went green.
But they smelled so bad at first when you put the stuff in, and then now it smells better.
If you can get past the first gelatin smell, it's just like.
Yeah.
But now, do they smell? They actually do smell like. I was worried for the vanilla one because it's the vanilla that you eat.
Yeah.
So you could literally eat this one.
No, I'm not gonna eat that. It'd be cool to like do like more different colors. Do like a rainbow.
Yeah, it'd be cool. And we should start an Etsy account. Oh, you know, we could put them on my Etsy account because I'm already paying for it.
Or we
I'll put my link down in there. I'll put the link down in there for my Etsy account.
Or we keep these ones, and then the next batch, you know, we sell.
Yeah. God, let's do it. Yeah, this was fun.
Yeah.
You should try it. Link will be down in the description. Well, Rachel?
Yes, Rachel?
I think it's time to go.
It was nice.
Goodbye.